Today I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence and coin collecting. So there's a lot of interesting things you can do using artificial intelligence if you're a coin collector. And so first of all, I'm going to create a trivia quiz. And this quiz is going to be about Morgan dollars. And I guess you could use this if you're perhaps you're making a video about Morgan dollars, or you want to test yourself to see how much you know about Morgan and silver dollars. So the first question I'm going to ask, by the way, I'm using a engine called Claude.ai. Now I've used all the major ones, like for example Meta.ai, and Google's got one called Gemini, but I keep coming back to this one. So you just go to Claude.ai and you sign up, and it's all free. There's a paid option, but you don't need to do that until you're ready. So first question I'm going to ask is, create a trivia quiz about Morgan silver dollars, list 10 intriguing, interesting trivia questions, etc., followed by the correct answer. So it's going to go process, and you see here it creates a quiz just like that. Now, looking at the questions. Now, some of these questions, if you're an expert in Morgan dollars, they're very simple, but if you're a beginner, they're kind of challenging. So in what year was the first Morgan silver dollar minted? 1878, pretty much. Most coin collectors would already know that. So what you can do is, and what's great about artificial intelligence is it kind of remembers what you just asked it. So you could just say, make the questions harder. Very simple. So these are definitely harder questions. What was George T. Morgan's position at the U.S. Mint when he designed the Morgan dollar? As an answer, assistant engraver. I'm sure not many coin collectors are going to get that one. And what is the Mint Mart location on Morgan dollars? In what year did the Carson City Mint produce the last Morgan dollar? 1893. I did not know that, and that's very interesting. So if you want to create a trivia quiz just for your own pleasure, or maybe for a blog post or a YouTube video or whatever, you can use Claude AI to come up with these interesting questions and answers. Now, I noticed here that the answer is right after the question, and so if you're testing yourself, for example, that would be kind of awkward because you already see the answer when you're reading the question. So what you can do here, again, it remembers what you said before, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. Another specification, which is list the answers in a separate section. So the answers should appear on a table right after the questions now. Yeah, and there you go. So you've got the questions in the first section, and then the answers are in the second section. Another thing you can do in Claude AI is you can create tables. So I just came up with this idea. I'm going to show a list of the most popular World Bullion coins. I'll put the results in a table. The table should have the following columns: country, description, metal, etc. So I'm going to click. And so you can see here it shows a list of the most popular coins. You can, let's say you want more bullion coins in a list. So you want to look at the top 50. So it's going to expand the list to include, hopefully, the top 50. Now there are limits to output. Like if you wanted to output some massive 20-page document, I don't think you're going to be able to do that unless you pay for this service. But you can see here it comes out with a list. So from here you can, you look on the internet and see, get more information about the particular coins. Now let's say I want some. Oh, it says I'm out of free messages until 8 a.m. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here. I could expand this table and say add a column showing the mintage of each of these coins, and it's going to do that as well. So anyway, this video's gone on long enough, so I'm going to stop there. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.